Hi, Perinba.
Hi.
How are you?
Yeah, fine. How are you?
I'm fine. I'm Varshini from Quality Department. Today I'm going to take feedback video from you. First of all, congratulations for completing the course in CMTI.
Yeah, thank
So
you.
can you introduce yourself?
Yeah, myself, Perinbasagaran. I came from Tamil Nadu. I completed my BE degree in 2017. After that, I have a 5 years experience in drafting and that 3D modeling as well. And I have a broad experience also. I have 1 year experience in architect in working Kumar. The company called Weaver's Kitchen. That's it.
Yeah, that's nice. Can I know how you know about CMTI?
Yeah, I just go through by online. I got three more institute compared to this CMTI. I just read out the reviews through the online. So I just select the CMTI online reviews for in Instagram.
Yeah, that's nice. So you have taken construction management course, right?
Yeah, I took CACM plus the BIM.
Yeah,
Uh,
can you tell
yeah,
about the
CACM
courses you have learned?
regarding that the all about the construction basic construction like sequence of construction, how to read the drawings, and what are the execution procedures are there in construction, what are the methods we used, what are the type of materials we used in construction, as well as what are the difficult we face in construction, like safety measure, how to measure the things in site. So a lot of things is combined with a single course called CACM. After that, BIM is completely different. It's about the 3D modeling and all about the building information. So I just gather some information about the courses.
Yeah, that's nice. Like you have been visited for various sites, right?
Yeah, we visit two sites nearby the Jayanagar, like JS3 Elite. The site is completely in a complete process. We are just when the site, we can go through all the interior works and wood works and framework, everything. We just guide by the Virupak Sasha. He take care of everything to guide the particular site. After that, we went another site like footing level of site. It's called Kalyana Mandapam near to Jayanagar, right? We are in that particular site. We gather about the information about what are the footing is available, what about the reinforcement is available, lab plant, everything. A to Z about the reinforcement we get learn from the watches.
Yeah, that's nice. How the trainers are support?
Yeah, trainers was fine, especially Natarajan sir is good. And that kind of person in the particular course center. He give more information about the construction as well as which one is good for your career or everything like a mentor. Yeah, it's good, quite good. As well as Ashok sir also gives some experience on outsource, what are the things happen in a field. He will give you more guide about field.
Yeah, that's nice. Thank you. Congratulations for completing the course in CMTI.
Thank you
Have
so
a
much.
bright future.
Yeah,
Thank you very much.
thank you.